Promotion. As long as we are under this, God can protect us, He can provide for us, and He can promote us. If we move outside of this, there is no protection, there is no provision, there is no promotion. You can get it yourself, but it's going to be very hard. It will be very hard outside of this protection. You guys can go and live outside. You're not going to die.
You just need to be cold.
But it's going to be hard. Do you want to try it?
No. Yes.
You're going to try? For what? One day? All right. These ones don't want to try. You want to try. Tonight you'll spend the night outside.
Where? Like?
No. Outside the wall. It's all right.
With no bed.
Why? How can you take what's inside out? What's inside is inside. That's what we provide and we protect is inside. If you go outside, you leave this behind. You can't say, I want to take this out. You can do it. You're going to sleep outside?
On the sand.
Well, you're the one who's saying you can do it. Please close the door. The door. So, under this is that, because we are now in obedience with God, we are staying in the parameters of what He wants us to do. So we are protected. Like if you live in this house, you are protected. But if you decide to leave or decide to do things that are not under this covering, God says, I have given you the word, follow it. I give you instructions, follow those instructions. If you fail to follow those instructions, you go out and it becomes very hard. And outside here, God can't help you. Outside there, I can't help you. What was that? If you leave that wall and you do something outside there, I can't help you. If you do things, if you don't follow the instructions in here and you go out, there will be consequences for that.
Daddy, then you do the things inside.
Then you get these. As long as you stay under this, you will get these. You will be promoted under here. You will get rewards under here. But if you move out, you don't get anything. Do we understand?
Yes.
So, it's the same thing in this house. It's dad, mom, children. Let's put children here.
From who to who, Daddy? Or after?
There's a covering That is why I pray for you every day. That is why you have beds to sleep on. That's why you come home, you can eat. It's because there's a covering here. There's a provision. Provision. There is protection. There is promotion. We haven't seen this one in a while. Because we're not seeing promotion comes, you get reward after what? The reward is what? It's a gift for following instructions. I haven't seen enough continuity or continuous behavior following instructions. We're still forgetting diaries, we're still forgetting homework, we're still forgetting shoes, we're still forgetting things like that. So we are not getting promotion because we are not doing what it takes to get promoted. Yes, Jude. Huh? Oh. I said children. Yeah, Dad. Huh? I'm under God. We are all under God, but I fall directly here. One day I'm going to go to heaven. I'm going to meet God, and He's going to say to me, what did you do with these people here? Did you teach them about me?
Yes.
Did you show them the right direction?
Why is it God knows?
Huh?
God knows.
God knows. Yes. But He will ask you. He's going to ask everybody, what did you do with what I gave you? Did you look after it? Did you protect it? God doesn't know the decision you're going to make. He doesn't know what you're going to do. It's not decided. Your decisions decide. With what? How do we make good decisions? How do we make good decisions? That's not a good answer. We make good decisions
By choosing.
by discernment. The discernment of right and wrong. So, I can show you today. I'm showing you today. God the Father, the Holy Spirit, the Son. I've given you information. I've said to you, follow this. Listen to this. Listen to the Holy Spirit. Don't follow that of the flesh. I've shown you all of this. But do you know that it's still your decision? Do you know that?
Yeah.
I can't force you to follow this. Can I force you?
No.
I can't. Because when you go to school and you decide to swear and to shout and to fight, you have chosen not to follow this. You have chosen to do whatever you want. So it's a choice. It all comes down to your decision to follow God. We give you information to make correct decisions. But there are some people who are outside here and here. Go outside there, you'll see them. There's people who are living in these areas. Even though they know this, they still choose to be outside of God's plan. Why? What God's plan is. Why are they lazy?
Because
It's not about being lazy. It's about a wrong decision. It's about failing to follow instructions. Somebody says, learn at school. Someone says, do your homework. Someone says, there's a book to read there. Read it and understand it. It's going to help you. And then you sit and you don't read. You sit and don't do your homework. You are going to end up year